When soldering circuit boards, the thin wire will produce much fume, which is not only pungent, but also can generate harmful material. At this time, you need a fume extractor, capable of smoking without blind spots and purifying the air. 1 key start, easy to operate. Easily switch between fan speed, green LED light, and white LED light using this button. Remove odors, oil, fumes and dust effectively, ensuring a fresh environment. Reduce health risks and soldering safely. PP flame-retardant telescopic air duct, suitable for various scenarios. Activated carbon and HEPA filtration. Compact in size,